Welcome to our cooking tutorial. Today, we'll be making a delicious and easy to make omelette with cheese. This recipe is perfect for a quick breakfast or a light lunch. Let's get started. Ingredients: 3 large eggs, 1 tablespoon of butter or oil, salt and pepper to taste, 1/2 cup shredded cheese cheddar or mozzarella. Instructions: 1. First, crack the eggs into a bowl and beat them with a fork or a whisk until the yolks and whites are fully mixed. Season the eggs with a pinch of salt and pepper to taste. 2. Heat a non-stick skillet over medium-high heat. Add the butter or oil and let it melt, swirling it around to coat the pan evenly. Allow the butter to cook for a minute or two until it turns golden brown. 3. Pour the beaten eggs into the skillet. Tilt the pan to evenly spread them across the surface. Cook the eggs for about 2 to 3 minutes on each side, or until the edges start to set, but the center is still slightly runny. 4. While the eggs are cooking, prepare your cheese. If you're going to add any toppings, like pepperoni, mushrooms, spinach, or tomatoes, cut them into small pieces and arrange them on one side of the omelette. 5. When the eggs are ready, gently fold them over the side with the toppings. And cook for another minute or so until the cheese is melted and the eggs are fully cooked. Six. Serve your omelette immediately, garnished with additional fresh herbs or chopped scallions if desired. Enjoy this delicious and easy-to-make meal with your friends and family. Welcome to our cooking tutorial. Today, we'll be making a delicious breakfast dish called eggs to toast. This simple but satisfying meal is perfect for those who want a quick and easy breakfast before diving into the day. First, let's go over the ingredients you'll need for this recipe. 1. 2 large eggs. 2 slices of bread. 3 teaspoons mayonnaise. 4 salt and pepper optional. 5 butter or oil for cooking. Now, let's move on to the cooking process. Step 1. Toast the bread. This should take about 2 to 3 minutes. Step 2. Separate the yolk and white eggs. Separate the yolk and white of the egg and beat the white with a mixer until it becomes white and stiff. Step 3. Prepare toast. Pour a spoonful of mayonnaise on the bread. Place the slices of bread on a baking sheet or under a broiler until they are crispy and golden brown. Step 4. Cook the eggs. Pour the white on the bread and put the yolk on it. Place the coated toast on a hot, greased pan or griddle. Cook for about 2 to 3 minutes on each side. Serve the 2 eggs to toast with your favorite dipping sauce, such as sour cream, ham, or cheese. Step 5. Serve and enjoy. Enjoy this quick and easy breakfast to start your day off right.